What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out my channel and watching my video. Today I was looking for recipes to make and something kind of easy but good, and I found a recipe that actually Michael found. I think he found it on TikTok, and he sends me a lot of TikTok links, and usually I don't look at them, but this one I actually looked at, and it was a recipe and it was really good. It's a Big Mac pizza. It tastes just like a Big Mac, and I love Big Macs. So give this one a try. See what you think about it. Make sure you put your comments down below and let me know. If you have any additions, anything like that you want to add to it, put that down below too. Let me know. Thanks for checking out my channel, watching my video. Please subscribe. I'm trying to build my channel. You guys have a great day. We're going to start with 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Lean ground beef is easier. We're going to brown that and break it up. You could try ground turkey with this if you want. I don't think it'll work. I think it needs that beef flavor, which is sad because I like ground turkey. All right, we're gonna let that brown. All right, it's good and brown. I'm gonna cut the heat down to about medium. It did have a little extra fat, so I drained that out. To this meat, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And also 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And stir that together and let it cook a little bit. It's already beginning to smell like a Big Mac. Kill the heat. And just make sure all the spices and the Worcestershire is spread out and distributed. All right. That's the meat. We do want to let that cool, so we'll set that off the heat. All right, for the special sauce, you are going to use 1.5 cups of mayonnaise. You're going to use 3 tablespoons of pickle relish, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And on top of that, 2 tablespoons of pickle juice. I use the Hamburger dill jar and pour out 2 tablespoons. All right, so into your mayonnaise, put your spices, put your pickle relish, your pickle juice, and your yellow mustard. And this is basically the special sauce recipe for McDonald's. So you can eat it on a hamburger if you want to. at this point, I'll give it a little taste. Perfect. With a cookie sheet, you're going to line it with parchment or spray it really well, either way. I think parchment is so much easier. And you're going to use classic pizza crust, the classic crust, not the thin crust. You're going to use 2 of those. One crust just doesn't quite do it. You got to use 2. We're just going to spread it out, give it a little edge. Make sure that middle is sealed. Now this side where I have extra, I will cut that off. That extra I'm going to put right along the edge here because that is not quite enough. And right along this edge. Gonna make sure that middle is sealed good. Alrighty. And we want to spread about 2/3 of your sauce that you've already made on top. About like that. Spread it out evenly. Probably a little more right in there. That. Now we're going to use 2 cups of mild cheddar. And that's going to go right over the top of that. Just like this. Now this will go into a preheated 375-degree oven, and you're going to let that cook for 18 to 23 minutes. All right, so take it out of the oven once it's browned along the edges and it's cooked underneath and you can feel it's cooked. Take it out of the oven, let it cool a little bit, because if you put it on hot, it's not going to work well. We're going to take a bag of shredded lettuce, sprinkle that over the top. That's what, if you do it hot, it's going to wilt the lettuce. We don't want to do that. Just kind of spread it like that. All right, on top of the lettuce, you're going to sprinkle chopped onion, sparingly, not too heavy. And Hamburger dills, just dill chips. That one's just too small. All right, that one's too small too. Let's do that one. All right. Now I've taken the leftover special sauce, put it in a bag, clip off one end, and we're going to drizzle the top with the remaining special sauce. And that is the Big Mac pizza. And that's it, Big Mac pizza. Make sure you put your comments down below. Let me know what you think. I love this thing cold. Take it straight out of the refrigerator and nom nom. If y'all find any good TikTok recipes that y'all like, make sure you put them down below. We just tried one the other day. It was rough. But this one is a winner. Give it a try, comment, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. You guys have a great week. Thanks for watching.